Hi friends, I just got this phone stand. I'm going to get it out of the box and show you what it looks like. So it comes with two pieces and they just click together. You can tell you got it right by this unlock to lock button, so you just slide it in place. And this does slide up and down, so you get that right angle just for you. And this is a little bit flexible too, so if you want it upright or angled right at you, it's just so you can get that perfect angle for your phone. And this is wide case phone acceptable as well. You can see that it gives plenty of space here to hold your phone, and it's just perfect if you're FaceTiming or you just need somewhere to set your phone so you can type whatever is on your phone. There's lots of different purposes to have that perfect phone stand. This also has like a non-slip here on the bottom, a nice silicone rubber, so if you bump your phone and things, it's not going to fall over. And you can see I can tilt it upright, downright, if you want it shorter or higher. This is just so flexible and perfect for like office use or for schoolwork. Lots of different reasons to have. This also fits all kinds of different kinds of phones, not just one type. It does have a spot so that your phone can charge while it's on here and it's not going to bend the charge cord. Overall, I love this phone stand and I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of it. I'm sure if you purchase this for you or for a loved one, you're going to love it just as much.